I'm really glad that you could go so far, as now you would be able to feel the power of Elasticsearch from a search perspective. I already prepared a solution at Postman. You can try to do it by yourself and later compare your result with mine. Or stay with me and let's analyze the final query together. First of all, you have to understand that we have to create the query that would be able to process all conditions from our task requirements. Equal user applied all possible filters at front-end side. After that, we will have only to apply a coding logic equal what section should be included or excluded to our query depending on customer actions at the front side, which can be a web page or some desktop or mobile application. And for implementing that logic, you will have to use some programming language, of course. I will show you how to do it in the fourth section. Here we will concentrate only on the query by itself, and our main task is to be able to process all search combinations that can appear as a consequence of user actions. First, I propose to refresh at mind our task and data we are going to provide search at. So here we see that search can be provided by city name, hotel name, stars, rating, age, some free places at now, some distance filter, some facilities. So now let's return to the solution. There are three main sections here at bool query: must, should and filter, and we will start from filter one. As you remember, at filter we want to add conditions that have no impact and relevance. So let's open it and check. Here I added free places at now, true or false. For sure that should be a filter. So next that is search by stars and rating. And there we are preserving geo distance as we already used it at previous lectures. So you may ask, okay, and where will we get that data, that latitude, longitude for our geodistance filter? I will try to show you an example of booking.com. So while starting some search, here we are providing localization at first. In that case I chose Warsaw, Poland. While getting that, we already have city and we even can get coding coordinates from the front side. Even if we will get only the city by itself, we can provide some additional geocoding using special API from Google or some other cloud platforms. And so in that case, we will get all necessary data to provide our filtering by distance. I also want to show you that the current structure we have at our task definition is rather similar to the one at booking.com. So here we can see some star also. Here is that filter of distance, and currently we are using 30 kilometers by default, but user can choose some another value and we will get it from front side also. And all other checkboxes, that is something that common with facilities. And here at booking.com, facilities are mostly working like end condition. Let's return to our solution. And in my case, I added facilities at should section. So it is not working like end condition, by mostly like some additional scores that can propagate some hotels higher at search results. What I want to say here is that it does not matter a lot, but while having a coding filters, you can easily move it, for example, to must section. There is no problem around it at all. So in my case, I put facilities and age to should block, simply to show you it as an example. So now let's check our must section. And here I added as an example that user provided some additional search by hotel name. And that is an example that we are trying to search either by Spain version of city or by English. And that's all. Let's try to run our query and check if it works. So after running it, we got two results, both of hotels. Suits current request. Pay attention at score. Both of that hotels have the same value, but we can make small improvements to our query further. If you will have a look at localizations of Golden and Silver Star hotels, you will find out that Golden Star is situated very close to historical center of Warsaw, while Silver is far from it away. And localization is essential parameter, and from my point of view it would be great to give some additional relevance bonus for hotels depending on how close they are to the center, and it is easy to do. I want to show you how we can reach such effect. by using special distance feature. Here we are pointing at field hotel localization. Pivots are additional parameters that influence how many points would be assigned to a coordinate hotel depending on the distance from origin, while measuring it in parts of 2 kilometers. So in that case, origin, that is the center of Warsaw, and pay attention at that boost. Here we also can manipulate by relevance. By default, every query has the boost parameter 1, but you can make additional accent and say to Elasticsearch engine that that filter or that query has special importance for you and that you want to increase relevance here in 2 times, and it is done while using boost parameter, and here I'm showing it as an example. So now let's run our query and analyze results. From now, Golden Star Hotel got much more higher score than our Silver Star Hotel, and that is because it is situated much more closer to center than its opponent. There is one more thing that I want to pay attention at, and that is the format of geo-coordinates. It is rather tricky and it is easy to make a mistake here. I will show what does it mean. Here you can see that while adding geo-parameters in a next format, let long, at first we had let and at second we had long. But when we are using array representation as array, that is vice versa. First of all, you have a longitude parameter and then latitude. And because of that, it is easy to make a mistake. And I know many people that were spending hours of their work to find out why such a thing is not working. As for example, if you will change it, automatically, as for example you are using it at filter, so you can see at filter we have the same sequence, and then you will run a query, you will have wrong results. Generally the score will stay the same and it has no impact, but that is in that case. You also may get some strange results at all. And the reason only is that you could not preserve the sequence of latitude and latitude. So please pay attention to such things, as it is really easy to make a mistake at that place. So that's all about our advanced search query. And next lecture we are going to deal with our additional functionality, average rating from all comments per month within a year at every document. So see you in the next lecture.